Hey, Spy Ninjas, Chad and I are getting ready to become agents. Chad, what the heck is going on?
I'm trying to become a Hollywood agent. It's not working. What's with these pants?
Dude, it's on backwards. You can't even put your pants on correctly.
You tell them what we're doing while I put my pants on, okay? I'll be right back.
We're gonna dress up as talent agents. We're gonna lure Melvin and trick him into auditioning for us because he's so vain. So he's gonna come, fall for a trick. He's gonna bring Perlita with him. So if we find Perlita, she's gonna be able to help us stop the upload of the location of the safe house to Project Zargo. Chad, you still look like yourself. You need more. You need like a wig.
I need to look like a Hollywood agent and make sure that PZ9's lackey doesn't recognize me as Chad Wild Clay. But a little wig will go a long way. Check that out. Look how cool I am. Once I put a cool Hollywood agent hat on, boom. Let's see your outfit, V. You don't look like a Hollywood agent at all. You look like Qwaint.
I got a wig. It's gonna look so awesome. I got some stilts, you guys.
Stilts?
5-inch heels. PZ9 will not even recognize me now that I'm like super tall.
You're so Hollywood, V. I probably shouldn't call you V anymore. We need agent names, Hollywood agent names. What's your name gonna be?
Estelle. Is that fancy enough?
Yes, Agent Estelle. I'll be Agent Baldwin.
Oh, as in Alex?
Alex Baldwin, yes!
I mean Alec.
Estelle, we need to enhance our persona.
Look, I have my sunglasses on. Look at that. To complete the look. Not yet. Have one more thing.
Oh my gosh, it never ends. Oh my gosh, you can't even walk.
This is just too difficult.
Let me show you how it's done. Take this camera. I'll show you how a true Hollywood agent walks.
Okay.
Hey, you seen any talented actors around here anytime lately? We need to come up with a really awesome reality TV show that Melvin, PZ9, would love to be a part of. He'll show up for the audition no matter what. Oh, I got a title, V. I mean, Estelle.
Yes.
The Ninja King. He will want to apply for that job because he thinks he's the king. He thinks he's the best.
Oh, and then he probably is gonna try and recruit Perlita as his queen.
Hollywood agents, they gotta have a certain talk. We can't talk like ourselves. We gotta talk more Californian, like.
Oh.
Whoa, dude. I'll hone my like Keanu Reeves, Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. Not that I've ever seen that because I'm way too young, but whoa. Perfect, I think we got it done. We got it done. Now we need to make a poster that really grabs the attention of PZ9. Let's go to our computer and print something off. It's coming out the printer! The Ninja King. A new reality TV show. You can be the next sensation today at Gazebo number 2.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Spy Ninjas, guess what? I'm still in PZ2 and PZ Foom's lair. It's been a couple days now. I think I'm going a little cuckoo, but I'm making a lot of progress. PZ Foom has something really important in that top secret box that he keeps holding. Chad and V think that whatever is in that box is gonna stop the computer from uploading the location of our safe house. So I've just been here without any phone. I can't scroll through TikTok. Oh, there he is right there. Yeah, I've also been stuck in the house with PZ2, but the good thing is, I've befriended him. And you know what? I kind of have a soft spot for him. But I figured if me and PZ2 are friends, I could use it to my advantage and get information out of him. Oh, hey, what's up, PZ2? Oh, you like my earrings? See, we're friends, right? Yes. Yeah. I'm doing a really good job being friends with this guy. Oh, it's in your eyeball.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la.
Potato!
Hey, Spy Ninjas. I can explain, all right? If you didn't see the last video, oh, you missed a lot. But it all makes sense once I explain it, okay? I'm going crazy. That's all I need to know. I have Douglas by my side. Shut up, Daniel! Shut up! We're on a mission to rescue Regina. I think she's at PZ2 and PZ Foom's lair. I tracked up GPS on Regina's phone, and on my Apple Watch here, it kind of looks like a familiar location. It says that I've been here before, so we gotta be extra cautious, Douglas, when we approach Regina, okay? I know it's just PZ2 and PZ Foom, and they are kind of knuckleheads, but who knows who else is there, okay?
Okay, V, we are at the park. You got the posters we made, the flyers? Hey, babe. Okay, let's get these set up, babe. So I'm gonna set up a tripod with a camera on it. This is where Melvin can try out, and we'll be able to watch him. So we'll set up a laptop computer so we can communicate with him through that. Okay, wait, when we communicate with PZ9 through the laptop, I think we should turn the camera off so he doesn't see us, because we can't blow this. We gotta keep him online as long as possible so Regina has time to hack into his phone. We gotta go find his lackey. He should be around here somewhere.
PZ Foomf, he's being a real mean bean as of late. He's mean to you, and you're supposed to be his best friend. And he's usually not mean to me that much. I mean, something has gotten into him. What do you say we get back at PZ Foomf? I like the way you think. He has my phone right now. Do you want to help me get it back? I'll lure PZ Foomf into this room, and then, from behind, you'll steal my phone from PZ Foomf's back pocket. You like it?
So here's the deal, Douglas. When we get in there, we don't throw any first punches, okay? We're gonna sneak around, and we're gonna— Hey! That's the stupidest plan I ever heard! Don't throw the first punch? Douglas, come on, we're spy ninjas, man. I'm tired of all this do-gooding. Our lives would be a lot easier if we just threw the first punch once in a while. Douglas, I don't think it's a good idea. We'll see when we get there, okay?
Okay, I haven't seen him yet, V. I mean, Estelle.
Estelle.
Oh, hey, Estelle.
Wait.
Estelle. He'll definitely know where PZ9 is, I think. We'll give him these posters. I've got a spy pen with me here. It's got a camera on it. We'll give this to him as like a way to sign up for the audition. Maybe we'll be able to watch him as he goes and gives the posters to PZ9. And we'll know what we can watch and see if it works. I gotta put on my shades so he doesn't recognize that it's me, Chad Wild Clay. There. Now I'm, Baldwin. Whoa, dude! What did we...
Hello there.
What's your deal, man? Wow.
Yeah, we're doing ninja moves for clown.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, this is so fabulous!
Oh, it's really cool, right? Using the PZ9 ninja move system.
Wait a second. You're telling me you know the famous PZ9 himself?
Ha, me and him are like this.
Whoa!
Oh, honey, we got a thing for you. We're actually famous Hollywood talent agents.
Oh, really? Hollywood? I love movies.
So we actually have an awesome audition. Actually, only for PZ9, all right?
Oh,
I mean, you said you were like this with PZ9, right?
You know what, honey? You gotta give this to PZ9.
Check it out.
This is the flyer.
and this is today.
If you can recruit him, you get a 10% cut of all the money he makes.
Man, 10%.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, here, bring this pen with you because,
oh, cool, a free pen.
I mean, yeah, you got to sign up for the release form. So just,
wow.
go ahead and clip that on right there. You're going to need that.
Yeah.
This guy's got Hollywood agent all over
okay,
it. All
yeah,
over.
I'll do it. I'll get him right now.
You let him know that there's going to be a laptop set up, a camera set up, and that's going to be a remote audition.
Remote audition.
Because of social distancing, we're not supposed to be next to each other. So all he has to do is go in front of the camera, the laptop, and we'll communicate with him, and he'll audition for the show.
That's so cool. I can't wait. I'm going to go get him right now.
All right. Woo! We got to get ready. So we got to get Regina to be hacking PZ9 once he starts auditioning, okay?
Okay, let's call her up.
Regina, answer the phone. Regina.
We got the audition already, so get ready. Use your hacking skills, because we all know you're the better hacker of the group.
Hey, PZ Foomf, you down there?
What do you want, Spy Ninja?
Well, I know everything about your top secret box.
You don't know what's in my top secret box?
Well, you left your diary outside and I read it.
Spy Ninja, you read my diary?
And I'm gonna tell all the spy ninjas at home what's in that box.
9999999.
It's working, he's coming. Foomf!
Spy Ninja, how you know what's in my box?
You're not so slick. I know everything.
I don't believe you.
Come on, PZ2.
Even if you know what's in my box, it's my box. You never have it.
PZ2, you're doing a great job. He got it. Sorry, what was that, Foomf?
You are the worst Spy Ninja.
Hey, I'm not the worst spy ninja.
I like thee better, not so much Chad. And I hate Daniel.
Foomf, you think you're all that in a bag of chips. But guess what? You're the non-salted kind of chips. We did it! Good job, PZ2. That was so great. See what happens when we work together? Magic.
PZ9! Oh my gosh, PZ9!
What?
Look, there's these agents, and they came to talk to me about this reality show called The Ninja King.
Wow.
And they said that you would be perfect for it. And they were looking for you. They had all this stuff, big time agents, and they had these crazy accents. So I think you should audition. You gotta hurry though. It's today at gazebo number 2.
Do you think it's legit?
I think so. They had the walk, the talk, and the look.
I'll definitely take your word for it, man. Nice. Good find.
Okay, thanks.
So where's this at?
Oh, it's gazebo number 2.
Finally, my phone! I just got a message from Chad and V. They need help with my hacking skills to ping Melvin's location. Well, I'm on it, guys. A little bit of that in this.
Hello? Is this thing on?
Yes. Hello, is this Melvin?
Yes, the one and only Melvin PZ9.
First thing first, we gotta test your acting chops, okay?
My acting? Sure, okay. Give me a line.
Can you do other YouTubers? Give us your best morgues, okay? We've laid some props on the table for you so you can get into the role. You know who Morgues is, right?
He's that one guy that makes videos with his mom?
Yeah, and his dad.
Excuse you, it's a mum.
Well, I guess here goes nothing. Hello there, welcome back to the vlog. It's Morgues here, and I have $10,000 that I'm gonna throw at me mom. Mom, are you ready? I'm going to throw $10,000 right now, Mom.
Wow, that was really good. Can you say mom a couple more times?
Mom, $10,000 at me, Mom, ain't it?
Oh my gosh, that was so good, Melvin PZ9.
I feel
fabulous.
so good about this.
But Estelle here, we want to test more of your skills.
Sure.
I mean, are you just like a one-trick pony?
Morgues is easy and overly animated, so that was no problem. Who's next?
A little more subtle, a little more difficult, more like a Steven Scherer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, V, we gotta keep stalling him here so Regina has time to hack his phone.
What's up, shares? You already know what it is. Wake up, it's a brand new day. The sun is shining, looks like summer's here to stay. So grab a friend, make a video, put it on YouTube, make heck of dough. Because PZ9, Steven Scherer, yeah, that's it. Steven Scherer. Stay awesome and share the love. Peace.
Yes! Oh my goodness!
Okay, we're approaching the place where apparently Regina is. This place kinda seems familiar though. The Spy Ninjas keep saying that this is PZ2 and Foom's lair. Guys, leave a comment down below if you know where this place is. They don't know a single thing. What are you talking about? Of course they do. They're super smart. Read the comments right now. I bet there's tons of comments, Douglas, saying exactly where this place is and why this seems familiar. I don't know about that. You're so dumb, Daniel. And stinky. Ho, ho, ho. Why you always say ho, ho, ho? The Claus says that, not you. Claus, schmaws. Man, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna put that thing away. I'm gonna keep going this way.
We've seen your acting chops. Spot on, by the way. Yeah. But does he have the dancing chops? Dance? Can you dance? Can you dance?
Dance, monkey, dance!
I didn't know that Ninja King involved dancing.
Yeah, if you want to be the king of ninjas, ninja moves are like dance moves.
Okay, fine. What am I dancing?
Okay, well, you know, TikTok. Do a TikTok dance.
Oh, this one right here on the laptop?
Yeah, that's it, right there.
Okay.
A little late though, I don't know.
This just looks so fun. I want to try it.
He's joining in. He's actually pretty good. Your pants back on. Chad, put your pants back on. You don't even know how to put them on and now they're falling off. Put it back on. Come back here.
How did that look?
Chad, you just flashed everybody. everybody who's watching, all the spy ninjas knows like what your legs look like now.
Okay, Douglas, hold up a second. What is it now? Are you scared? No, Douglas. I just got a bunch of notifications from the Spy Ninja Network saying that there's security cameras all around this place. Guys, if you haven't downloaded the Spy Ninja Network yet, download it after this video, okay? Because if you keep using the tools inside there, you can unlock a bunch of stuff like belts, but also it helps us spy ninjas find things like this. There's security cameras around here. This is my favorite tool right here. If I just keep using this tool, and then shortly, I'll be able to disable all the security cameras around here. Man, you suck. Dude, I've hit every single one so far. You're distracting me.
So what? Is there anything else left? This is starting to feel like a Spy Ninjas video with all these challenges that you make me do. You already know my stardom.
This is not a Spy Ninjas video. What are you talking about?
I mean, challenge after challenge to prove my clout when clearly you already know about it.
No, this is the way Hollywood does it, okay?
Shut
We have
up.
3 auditions for you. You already done 2. So let's just do the 3rd and final one, and then we'll show ourselves, okay, once we cast you.
How's this whole thing happening without me even seeing any one of you guys?
I feel so confident about you, PZ9, as the lead Ninja King. We will show you the director of the entire series. Yeah, that's who will. You know what? I'm gonna call in the director right now. Quick, we gotta dial in Regina right here and tell her. Okay, let me punch her in. Regina, come in. Regina.
Hey, Chad and V.
We need you to dress up as a director for this reality TV show.
I don't have my suitcase of disguises with me.
Okay, all you need to know is called the Ninja King.
I'll throw something together, what I can find around here.
So get ready, okay?
Okay, bye!
Okay, I think I disabled all the security cameras, but you can never be too sure. I gotta blend in. You know what? I have a great idea. Remember that guy named Melvin? Oh, he was so smart. He was the best. Remember that time that he wanted to blend in? And he wore the Sand Squatch outfit. That's right, he looked just like a bush. That's a good idea. I'll use that to blend in. Here it is, this right here. Had it in my Spy Ninja backpack. Oh, yeah. Woogity, woogity, woogity. Hey, what about me? Douglas, I would never forget about you. Check it out. Here you go, Douglas. You're like a lion with a mane. We blend in perfectly with our surroundings now. Okay, let's head a little bit more east.
What is this last challenge? Let's get this over with, huh?
We gotta test your ninja skills, your abilities, right?
You show us that you can be fabulous on camera, but let's see if you got some moves, all right?
Yeah, some speed, agility, and
Vanity.
vanity. We need someone who's vain, okay?
Oh, well, you've definitely found the right choice.
Show us your ninja skills, your action star,
Yeah.
why you deserve to be on the big screen,
Yeah.
all right?
Action. Ooh, nice. Cartwheel, not a somersault, okay. Ooh, kick!
He's just kicking.
Oh,
Another kick.
Let's see the epic pose. Ooh, very vain.
Got the hair flip.
Whoa, hair flip.
I don't need a blaster. I'm the best fighter.
I just like a comment on your ending pose hair flip there. Like, it's not that great. And I feel like other people have done that before, so I just don't think you should be using that hair flip.
Okay, according to my Apple Watch, it says Regina's GPS coordinates are coming from inside this building here. I'm nervous. Man, you're always nervous. When are you gonna stop being a wuss? How are we gonna open this thing right here? I say we just break it. No, Douglas, that is not the way to be. I'm not just gonna vandalize stuff. Man, you and your stupid rules. You know what, there's a way to make this work. I'm gonna use the Spy Ninja Network again. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Douglas! Douglas! Let's make it this way. Oh, Douglas! Hey, that was all your fault. That wasn't my fault, man. There's a door over there. I hear something. I guess let's get out of this stupid suit. There's no more reason for this. Okay, we're looking good now. We're more aerodynamic and more agile. Man, you wish you were agile. You have the worst posture I've ever seen. Let's open this door. You do it, Douglas. I'm holding the camera with this hand and holding you in the other. Fine, fine.
So are we done here yet?
I think only the director can make that decision, okay?
Speaking of the director, I demand to see them now.
Do you think Regina's ready?
Gosh, I hope she's ready. She's supposed to be the master of disguise, so I think she's ready.
Yeah, okay, PZ9, you just stay right there. Look at the laptop, and the director will be on the screen any moment.
Okay, I have this glove mitt. Here's a hat, maybe some hacker pants. Here's a hoodie. Come on, Regina, get it together. Okay, I just need to put this stuff on. I'll have a disguise. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! What the heck?